Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Now we'll be discussing on the Bank Nifty analysis for Monday. So we'll start with the 1 day time frame. We'll see there is some interesting things here. You can see the created top created on the 17th September, the same top created on the 24th September. So what we will do here, we will start a horizontal line, right? We will start a horizontal line. So this become our resistance. So let's put a green red color. So now what we will do? So we'll go and also we'll mark the day low of Friday. So which is this one? Which is this one? Let's say mark is a green. Okay. So now here mark Friday's high and low. So now we'll do some analysis. We'll change it to 1 hour time frame. We'll we'll observe something here. Right? Sorry. Okay. So now you can see here, right? So now you can see here, this is the 1 hour time frame, which is which is created the high, and which is there's another 1 hour time frame which is created a high on the 24th. So now we have joined the two button. Now you can see here, so below this candle, it gave a rally of the downtrend. Now again this same thing might be continue, we don't know. So what I will do here, let me put one more line here, which is the below of this 1 hour time frame, below of this candle, which is 17th September's candle, and will mark is orange color line, right? So I marked here. So this is the low of the 17th September candle at 10:15, which created the new day high. So now, okay, so now we'll go back to the 30 minutes. Okay, so we started with 1 day, then 1 hour. Now we will go to 30 minutes. Then we will slowly we will go to the low level time frame and see the intraday levels. So now you can notice this line which we have drawn in the 1 hour time frame, exactly it is matching with 30 minutes time frame as well for this candle. So now here you can see this become the one of the major resistance on 30 minute time frame. You can notice here. So price is not going up from this level, and it is gone once, but it is fall back. So it is become a strong resistance on the Friday. Okay. Now we will quickly go to the 15 minutes time frame. We'll see what is happening. Okay. Now you see the line which we have drawn in the 30 minutes time frame and 1 hour time frame also matching with 15 minutes time frame. So it's see this become a strong resistance at this level. So we have a 1 day resistance which is the 38,100 somewhere around here, and we have the support. We got the support 37,664. This is the support. If we slightly adjust, this may be the, yes, that is the support. And the nearest resistance also we got 37,868. This is the orange color line, right? So now one more thing also need to observe. In the 15 minutes time frame, you can see the RSI is going down. This RSI is going down. And if you go to 30 minutes time frame, also RSI is going down. It is entering to 60 level zone. It is going down. If it's 1 hour time frame, also it started moving downwards. Okay, so all indicates it is going down, but it may not happen. So we'll see how that works. So in 100-day time frame, it is uptrend. It is going up. Okay. So here is the confusion. 1 hour time frame saying MACD is saying is going up, RSI is saying going up, but 1 hour time frame, 30-minute time frame, 15-minute time, everything is downtrend. So then how we will do trading on the Monday? So let's go to that. Let's go to 15-minute time frame now. Right. So before that, we'll just enable one thing, uh, the the CPR level. So I will turn off this. we'll see the CPR for tomorrow, how it works, right? So what we are getting here Monday, it is a narrow CPR. You see how the narrow is. CPR is narrow, so it will be looks like a trendy by theory. Practically, it happens or not, we'll see on Monday. By theory, if there is a CPR is narrow, it will be considered as a trendy day. So what we need to notice here, the level what we have drawn on this particular day, this red color, that is the same as the resistance level of CPR as well. So it's all matching. So it is a level of CPR as well. So what are the support we draw? This is also matching with CPR support level. You see, exactly it is nearby that. And one more support, big support you can find here, which is the weekly support. This is also one of the strong support. Right? We will make it little bit dark color. This is strong support. That means if it is a drastic fall, so this will be act as a strong support. That will be a reversal from this level. That's why. So now we will turn off these things. So now what is observation is the support what we have drawn is matching with the support of the pivot as well, and what are the resistance done are that also matching with the resistance for which for the Monday. Okay, so just notice I am looking for the tomorrow's CPR, not today's. It is for tomorrow's. This whatever we are seeing, it is for tomorrow's. Now we will switch off. We don't need this indicator, right? So now in the 15-minute time frame, now it is very clear, right? Now it is very clear that so for the short term trend for the quick scalping, if market opens in between this range, these boxes, you can notice it 37,868 and 37,640. So this is these two lines. So it is opening in between. You can take a quick buy position from here. We may book the target. It may go to the day high of the previous day high, which is the 38,100. This one. You can book a target here, and after that if it comes down again it started moving up, then this will be your strong buying level. So it will be become, it will break the level, it will go upside very fast. So once it will, if it is open in between and start falling, this will be your selling level, and target may be this one or middle of this one. Okay, this middle of this candle. So I will mark it this one. So you can think of this level as your target level if it is crossing. But if it's crossing, come to this point, you can see what price action happening at this level, which is 37,713. And from here, if you start bouncing, again you can buy it, and that will go to this level. Or if you start falling, then that will be a big fall. We don't know how much it will go down. We don't know. So this is the very simple and levels for Monday. So hope this helps you for trading on the Monday. And if you like this video, you just like the comment and you to like the video in the down and put your comments as well. And also you can subscribe the channel if you have not yet. Thank you for watching this here. Have a good day.